3 years ago, I bought the 1 by 30 inch Central Machinery belt sander from Harbor Freight, and this tool was well worth the money. And I bought it at first. I thought, I'm gonna try it out. How bad can it be? I bought a bunch of different packs of abrasive belts while I was there at Harbor Freight, and I tell you, this thing has been a handy little machine. I haven't had a bit of problem with it. It's worked, right out of the box. No issues at all with it. Other than the abrasives from Harbor Freight, they're not the greatest, but they do work. Now, I use this to deburr steel parts that I cut. Once I get done cutting them, I will go through and grind the mill scale off and deburr the edges of them for my production shop. And when I'm running it, I mean, I'll stand here, it'll run solid for an hour while I'm deburring parts. I'd say probably this machine has ran probably 30 hours since I've had it, and that's 30 actual hours of use, and it's worked fine. It hasn't given me any problems. A friend of mine gave me a rim off of a truck, big truck. I made a stand for it, and it just bolted to a plate on top there. And I tell you, I use this almost every day. I will grind something or deburr something with it while I'm out here in the shop. So it is a handy machine. So if you're thinking about getting one of them, do not hesitate to spend the money on one of these. Now, you can stall it out very easily. It took a little bit to get used to how far you can push it or how hard you can push it before it stops. But once you got that figured out, it works great.